Hi guys, Owen here. Let's take a look at how analytics and tracking helps with affiliate marketing. Tracking and analytics tools play a vital role in the success of affiliate marketing campaigns. They provide valuable insights into the performance of your promotional efforts, allowing you to measure the effectiveness of your strategies, optimize your campaigns, and maximize your affiliate revenue. In this article, we will explore the importance of tracking and analytics tools in measuring the success of your affiliate marketing campaigns. Stick around to learn about our exciting affiliate program that you can join for free. 1. Accurate measurement of performance. Tracking and analytics tools enable you to accurately measure the performance of your affiliate marketing campaigns. They provide detailed data on various metrics such as clicks, conversions, sales, revenue, and return on investment, ROI. By tracking these metrics, you can assess the effectiveness of your campaigns, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies. 2. Understanding user behavior. Analytics tools provide insights into user behavior, helping you understand how visitors interact with your affiliate links, landing pages, and website. You can track metrics like bounce rates, time spent on page, click-through rates, CTRs, and conversion paths. This information helps you gain a better understanding of your audience's preferences, identify potential bottlenecks in the conversion process, and tailor your campaigns to improve user engagement and conversion rates. 3. Identifying high-performing channels. Tracking tools allow you to determine which marketing channels are driving the most traffic and conversions for your affiliate campaigns. By analyzing referral sources, you can identify the channels that deliver the best results, such as organic search, social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. This knowledge enables you to allocate your resources effectively, invest in the most profitable channels, and optimize your promotional efforts for maximum impact. 4. Performance of affiliate links. Tracking tools provide insights into the performance of your affiliate links. You can track the click-through rates, CTRs, for each link, as well as the conversion rates and revenue generated by specific links or campaigns. This data helps you identify the most effective promotional strategies, optimize underperforming links, and focus your efforts on high-converting opportunities. It also allows you to negotiate better deals with affiliate partners based on the performance of their links. 5. Conversion attribution. Attributing conversions accurately to the appropriate marketing channels or touchpoints is crucial for understanding the true impact of your affiliate marketing campaigns. Tracking tools provide multi-channel attribution models that help you attribute conversions to the various touchpoints in a user's journey. This knowledge allows you to allocate credit appropriately and make informed decisions regarding your marketing budget and strategies. 6. Split testing and optimization. Tracking tools enable you to conduct split testing, A/B testing, to compare different variations of your campaigns and determine which performs better. You can test different elements such as headlines, images, calls to action, CTAs, landing page layouts, or promotional offers. By analyzing the results, you can optimize your campaigns based on data-driven insights, refine your marketing messages, and improve conversion rates over time. 7. Reporting and performance analysis. Analytics tools provide comprehensive reports and dashboards that consolidate all the important metrics and data related to your affiliate marketing campaigns. These reports offer an overview of your campaign performance, highlight trends, and track progress towards your goals. By regularly reviewing these reports, you can identify patterns, uncover opportunities, and address any issues promptly to ensure the ongoing success of your affiliate marketing endeavors. In conclusion, tracking and analytics tools are essential components of successful affiliate marketing campaigns. By accurately measuring performance, understanding user behavior, identifying high-performing channels, optimizing affiliate links, attributing conversions, and conducting split testing, you can continuously improve the effectiveness of your campaigns and maximize your affiliate revenue. Embrace these tools as valuable assets in your marketing toolkit to make informed decisions and drive sustainable success in the affiliate marketing landscape. Please check out the links in the description below, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the inside.